Okie dokie, fellas. Noticed over here that I'm missing, there's actually 4 heat shields per side. This thing here, the very bottom of those headers, that's the 4th heat shield. Doesn't look too bad. Looks like it's 2 screws, 10 millimeters. Pop off at the bottom, 1 on each side. You drop that down and then you get the headers off. That I don't think is too bad actually. So I'll pop that off both sides and maybe start unbolting the cats and maybe get the headers, because if you look over here, parts have arrived. They came yesterday. Oh yeah, that's the air filter. Pulled it out. That's about 3,000 kilometers on it, which is, I don't know, maybe 1,500 miles or something like that. But yeah, I got an attack blue filter coming, so that's going in. These are the parts that came. Quality looks actually pretty good. So everything you need comes in here. You got bolts, new bolts, gaskets. I've been told to reuse the existing, at least head gaskets. That's, or not head, but manifold gaskets. But everything looks pretty good, actually. You know, it's took that out of the packaging, but we can show that to you again at some point. But that's that. So yeah, you know what? I will get to taking off, dropping those heat shields, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'll let you know. Take it easy. Catch you soon. All right, fellas. As mentioned, those the 4th heat shield is not that bad actually. It's 2 bolts, 10 millimeter, 1 on this side, 1 on that side. The only thing is, they're on weird angles. Once you figure out the angle, then it's not a problem. That heat shield, you just drops to the bottom. You pull it out after the header is removed. You can, you know, when you pull back some of these, whatever, you can see the plug wires. You can see the bolts, the manifold bolts a little better now too. So shouldn't be that bad. You're gonna have to feel around, but we'll see how it goes. So we'll see if we're about getting these bolts off now, both sides. See how it goes. But yeah, those the 4th heat shield, not bad at all. So very easily done. You need a 10 millimeter combination. I used a ratchet and a ratcheting wrench, and not a problem. All right, let's get at her. All right, guys, gonna add the 2 liters of DCT fluid. So come down and have a look. See, 6 millimeter takes that little screw off, little hex screw, 6 millimeter hex screw. Get yourself a little funnel, and let's try not to make a mess. I don't know why GM, you know, cheaped out on us. It's not like we didn't pay enough for these cars. They want to cheap out and not give us the 2 liters of fluid. This will help your car under either track days or hard performance. If you want to do burnouts and just like drive it hard, it apparently keeps the check engine light from coming on. All right, there's 1 down and 1 to go. This is the stuff. This thing cost me 50 bucks, 50 bucks per liter. 100 bucks worth of fluid here. Whoop. Here she is, boys. Next job, I'm gonna get at those cats and headers. Another thing I forgot to mention, boys, is you're gonna need an O2 sensor socket to get those O2 sensors off. This 22 millimeter 7/8. This one is unfortunately has to go back because this slot in here is way too thin to get over top of those O2 sensors. I don't know if I can, I can't show you. Anyways, you guys know what they look like. But yeah, that's way too thin. So there's another version that's out there that has a wider slot. It's actually about 18 millimeters wide or something like that. Or so it's, so this is going, I got that ordered, should be here in a day or two. So you need proper O2 sensor. So yeah, when that comes in, then we'll tackle see if we can tackle some of the other stuff there, those cats and headers. So that's it for now. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Hit that bell notification so you know every time a new video drops. And yeah, we'll catch you out on the next one. Peace.